Hey y'all, if you want to see how I achieved this flowy perfect twist out, just continue watching. I will also be doing a review on Camille Rose Guava Slip line. So just tune in and watch it to the end. I literally haven't done a twist out in about maybe 3 years. Ever since I colored my hair, because it was color treated, my twist outs never turned out the way I wanted it to. So we're going to try out Camille Rose new line Guava Slip. I haven't put any products in my hair. This is literally like a fresh wash. Like I said, it's already washed, and I've been drying it for about an hour now. And I already parted my hair into different sections. So usually the first thing that I do with my twist outs, I would start off with the back section. I think I am going to try to do type of like medium twist or whatever. So I'll try to aim to have maybe like 8 to 10 twists in each section. But I doubt that. I really do doubt it. Because I always apply my leave-in conditioner first. And I try to always detangle with my wide tooth comb. I'm loving like the minimal breakage from my hair, but still I really need a trim. I think my hair likes the guava. It's definitely not defining my curls. It's more so giving it a nice moisture, and it's helping with the detangling. But let me go ahead and section off this area. I'm gonna go ahead and twist this up. I think this is a nice section. This is gorgeous. Look at this. This consistency is just so gorgeous, guys. Yeah, so the Guava Slip, of course, is for detangling and definition, and it's for dry hair. Just to leave everything, like I said, hydrated. Maybe a little bit too much, but let's see how my curls react to this. This is so thick. I love this. I love how this is weighing down my hair. Like literally, as someone that's low porosity, I need something to weigh down my hair. This is just an amazing product. Like, this is an amazing product. So I'm taking deep breaths. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. 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 So I went ahead and finished off the rest of the twist that's in the back, and I kind of started on the front, but I'm going to part it to where I don't have a middle part. So like I said, I am using the Guava Slip Whipped Souffle Styler. This is so soft and creamy, y'all. Like, let's look at it. You got me so turned up. You still gotta be so high. Weed always on my mind. No, he always on my mind. Don't you? Know you want some of this part. You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that. Doing my hair in the front is so humbling. It's like a humbling experience because, as you can tell, like if you watch when I did my twist in the back compared to me doing my twist in the front, it's like all my hair is like literally just straight. I have 3C in the front, so it doesn't curl up or coil. Well, it's curly. It's not coily. Like my hair in the back is coily and my hair in the front is curly. And it's always been that way, and it's so irritating having two different curl patterns. Get right, it will roll up 100 bucket nuts. All up in my mouth now, all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian, he waving and I'm drunk. Hey y'all, y'all, it's the next day. As you can see, I've already taken out the twist in the back. I'm a little disappointed because I feel like I over moisturized my hair. Some of the parts did come out a little frizzy and damp because my hair wasn't completely dried. So I think next time I'm just going to be using just a souffle. Before I took down my twist and tried to like dry my roots. Roots are still a little bit wet though. Let's go ahead and take these down together. And take down the front of my hair, which is really defined. Like it was one, like this is amazing. Do y'all see this? Amazing. My hair is very moisturized though.
Got dang shit in my cup, you know what I'ma do to you. I could give her to you. Slow, we X and we sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose to do. Slow, we come fast. Speed another heartbeat, banging in the chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep, deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high.
How the twist out came out. I feel like it looks really good in my opinion. I think it looks really good. Edge control on here. I feel like for my first twist out that I've done in my hair in a very long time, I think this turned out amazing. I feel like the pros was definitely the Souffle styling cream from Camille Rose. I feel like putting leave-in conditioner in wasn't necessary, and I also feel like putting the extreme gel wasn't necessary. I feel like my hair would have been just okay with just the souffle and then also with some type of mousse just to set it. Definitely have frizzy hair. This would definitely keep it moisturized, and I feel like the frizz, like it's minimal frizz, and I'm shocked because usually when my hair is damp and it's not completely dry with the twist out, it looks super frizzy, but this looks very defined. It still has a nice volume. I can give you guys like a back view of it. So this is how it looks in the back. It looks so good. It's so flowy. It smells amazing. I just overall I love it. I love it. I definitely will be doing more twist outs for sure. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. Comment some products that you think will work for my hair. Just overall, just tell me what you think about this look. It looks, to me, it looks really good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love interacting with you guys. So any feedback, even if it's negative feedback, let me know, because I will still comment and engage with you all. So I will definitely talk to you later. It's been too long. Tell me when I'm gone.